Orisha Bàbá Egún, the collective spirit of honored ancestors. Bàbá Egún represents the collective ancestral spirits who are deeply revered in Yoruba cosmology. He embodies the wisdom, guidance, and protection of those who have passed on, but remain spiritually present to support their descendants. Orisha Bàbá Egún, the divine force of ancestral wisdom, governs the connection between the living and the dead. He is the guardian of the spirits of the ancestors, ensuring that their guidance, protection, and teachings continue to shape the destiny of their descendants. As the Orisha of lineage, tradition, and the collective memory of humanity, he reminds us that we are never truly alone. The spirits of those who came before us walk with us. His presence in the 16 Odumeji reveals his role as the keeper of ancestral knowledge, the protector of lineage, and the one who teaches that honoring the past ensures a strong and stable future. Bàbá Egún highlights themes of continuity, legacy, and the interconnectedness between the living and the ancestral realm. In Eji Agba, Bàbá Egún manifests as the eternal presence of the ancestors, bringing wisdom, blessings, and guidance to those who remember them. He teaches that those who respect and honor their lineage will always find success, for the ancestors open doors where none seem to exist. In Oyeku Meji, he governs the passage of souls, ensuring that the dead are properly cared for and that their spirits find peace. Here, he reminds us that death is not the end but a continuation of existence in another form, and that those who neglect their ancestors may suffer spiritual disturbances. Iwari Meji highlights his role as the keeper of sacred traditions, revealing that ancestral wisdom must be preserved and passed down through generations. He teaches that forgetting one's history is the greatest mistake, for without knowledge of the past the future is uncertain. In Odi Meji, Bàbá Egún governs the importance of lineage and spiritual inheritance, showing that the deeds of the ancestors influence the lives of their descendants. He teaches that one must honor family ties and uphold the values passed down through generations. Irisan Meji reveals his connection to mediumship and communication with the spirit world, showing that those who seek guidance from the ancestors will always receive answers. Here, he reminds us that the spirits speak through dreams, divination, and ritual. Oanran Meji portrays him as the enforcer of ancestral justice, ensuring that those who dishonor their lineage face the consequences of their actions. He warns that breaking family ties and disrespecting elders leads to misfortune. In Obara Meji, Bàbá Egún appears as the bestower of generational wealth and prosperity, showing that those who honor their ancestors receive their blessings. He teaches that abundance is not just material, but also found in wisdom, health, and spiritual protection. Okanran Meji presents him as the guide through times of hardship, revealing that the ancestors provide strength and resilience to those who call upon them. He teaches that hardship is a test, and those who endure with faith will emerge victorious. Ogunda Meji highlights his warrior aspect, showing that the ancestors fight alongside the living to protect them from harm. He teaches that spiritual battles are real, and those who invoke their ancestors will never fight alone. In Osa Meji, he governs prophecy and foresight, revealing that the wisdom of the past is the key to understanding the future. He teaches that history repeats itself, and that those who study their lineage will avoid the mistakes of their ancestors. Ika Meji emphasizes his role as the healer of spiritual wounds, showing that unresolved ancestral issues can manifest as illness or misfortune. He teaches that healing often requires reconciliation with one's past. Oturupan Meji portrays him as the keeper of sacred oaths, ensuring that family and community bonds remain strong. He teaches that promises made to the ancestors must be honored, for breaking them invites ancestral displeasure. In Otura Meji, Bàbá Egún governs the cycle of reincarnation, reminding us that souls return through bloodlines to complete unfinished destinies. He teaches that children often carry the spirit of their ancestors, and recognizing these connections brings harmony to the family. Irate Meji reveals him as the protector of sacred burial grounds, ensuring that the resting places of the ancestors are respected. Oze Meji connects him to purification and renewal, showing that through ancestral rituals one can cleanse their lineage of past mistakes and start anew. Finally, in Ofun Meji, Bàbá Egún represents the completion of the ancestral cycle, where wisdom, justice, and spiritual alignment merge into eternal guidance. He teaches that those who maintain a strong relationship with their ancestors will always find clarity, protection, and favor. Across all 16 Odumeji, Bàbá Egún teaches that honoring one's lineage, preserving traditions, and seeking guidance from the past are the keys to a stable and prosperous life. His lesson is clear. Those who listen to their ancestors, who respect their family roots, and who walk in alignment with their heritage will always be guided, protected, and blessed. Odu Ogbe Meji, the guardian of ancestral wisdom. In Odu Ogbe Meji, Bàbá Egún symbolizes the ancestral wisdom that serves as a foundation for progress. Myths recount Bàbá Egún guiding a leader to establish a just and prosperous community by following the advice of his ancestors. This Odu teaches the Quorant to honor their roots to build a strong future. Odu Oyeku Meji, the keeper of life and death cycles. In Odu Oyeku Meji, Bàbá Egún oversees the natural cycles of life, death, and rebirth. Myths describe rituals performed to honor Egún and ensure the safe passage of souls to the ancestral realm. This Odu emphasizes that respecting the dead strengthens the living's spiritual foundation. Odu Iwari Meji, the illuminator of ancestral truths. In Odu Iwari Meji, Bàbá Egún reveals the truths and lessons of the past to guide the present. Myths recount how Egún revealed hidden family secrets that were blocking progress, allowing reconciliation and growth. This Odu encourages the Quorant to seek ancestral guidance when faced with uncertainty. Odu Odi Meji, the protector of family and community. In Odu Odi Meji, Bàbá Egún protects families and communities from harm by ensuring that ancestral traditions are upheld. Myths tell of Egún warning a family of impending danger through dreams, allowing them to act in time. This Odu teaches the importance of staying connected to one's lineage for protection and harmony. Odu Irisan Meji, the bridge to ancestral blessings. In Odu Irisan Meji, Bàbá Egún serves as a conduit for ancestral blessings and spiritual strength. Myths describe Egún helping a family overcome hardship by ensuring their devotion to rituals. This Odu highlights the importance of honoring ancestors to receive their favor and guidance. Odu Oonrin Meji, the sustainer of prosperity. In Odu Oonrin Meji, Bàbá Egún helps sustain prosperity through ancestral blessings. Myths recount Egún guiding a struggling merchant to success by revealing a forgotten family trade. This Odu emphasizes that prosperity often flows from respecting and building upon one's heritage. Odu Obara Meji, strength through ancestral support. In Odu Obara Meji, Bàbá Egún provides strength and resilience through the wisdom of the ancestors. Myths tell of Egún empowering a warrior with courage during a critical battle, ensuring victory. This Odu teaches the Quorant to draw on ancestral support during challenging times. Odu Okonran Meji, the arbiter of justice and tradition. In Odu Okonran Meji, Bàbá Egún enforces justice and the preservation of tradition. Myths recount Egún intervening in a community dispute, reminding the people of their shared heritage and responsibilities. This Odu teaches that justice and harmony are achieved by adhering to ancestral principles. Odu Ogunda Meji, the clearer of spiritual pathways. In Odu Ogunda Meji, Bàbá Egún removes obstacles that block spiritual growth. Myths tell of Egún leading a devotee to uncover hidden rituals that restored their spiritual clarity. This Odu emphasizes the role of the ancestors in guiding individuals toward their destiny. Odu Osa Meji, the corrector of imbalances. In Odu Osa Meji, Bàbá Egún restores balance by addressing spiritual and moral imbalances. Myths describe Egún intervening in a family feud, ensuring justice and unity. This Odu highlights the importance of reconciling with the past to restore harmony. Odu Aika Meji, revealer of hidden dangers. In Odu Aika Meji, Bàbá Egún warns the living of hidden dangers through dreams and omens. Myths recount Egún saving a family from a natural disaster by guiding them to safety. This Odu encourages vigilance and responsiveness to ancestral signs. Odu Oturupan Meji, the reconciler of conflicts. In Odu Oturupan Meji, Bàbá Egún fosters reconciliation by reminding individuals of their shared ancestry. Myths describe Egún uniting feuding clans by revealing their common lineage. This Odu teaches that unity is achieved by recognizing and honoring shared values. Odu Otura Meji, the guide to new opportunities. In Odu Otura Meji, Bàbá Egún inspires the exploration of new opportunities by uncovering ancestral wisdom. Myths tell of Egún leading a family to rediscover long-forgotten agricultural techniques, revitalizing their prosperity. This Odu encourages the current to explore their roots for guidance. Odu Ayerte Meji, advocate for legacy preservation. In Odu Ayerte Meji, Bàbá Egún emphasizes preserving family legacies and traditions. Myths recount Egún encouraging a community to document their rituals and pass them down to future generations. This Odu highlights the responsibility of maintaining cultural heritage. Odu Oze Meji, the harmonizer of ancestral energies. In Odu Oze Meji, Bàbá Egún harmonizes ancestral energies to bring peace and abundance. Myths tell of Egún blessing a village with prosperity after they performed rituals to honor their ancestors. This Odu teaches that gratitude and reverence for one's lineage invite blessings. Odu Ofun Meji, the eternal connection to the ancestral realm. In Odu Ofun Meji, Bàbá Egún embodies the eternal connection between the living and their ancestors. Myths describe Egún as the ever-present guardian, ensuring that the wisdom of the past continues to guide the present and future. This Odu teaches the current to honor their ancestors and trust in their enduring support.